Hey yo. Hey yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Hey yeah. Hey. Any diem dodo na munim wutah afriyie no. Wutah afriyie Rastaman. Dodo na munim no mon tag ni mame. Papa nam ko pie o post bi so e wo Kwame Dazi page. Ana me se there bi. Asa asem na wo kan na kire ma agene kakra ani nti no. Me yes ene metna so e wo the BonahShow so. Wutah, according to post, what's it going forward? You think, say, music awards organizers for have a category for AI generated songs. There's plenty for the system. Yeah. Senior, I think, say, you are far behind time. Wutah. Now obi a wadi nyuma chifru nkwada brema bedru samre na enne na nyankopo adom akwasi broni nyansem odi bibia ba sabi wo ya nwumtuni a ebeboa wo ebeso wasene ama ade na opesa wo ye no watimi aye ne perfect ama sabi processor ka wo setete mra no bia obefama ansa na watima produce nyum ba akono akwasi broni nyansem no wama ade na ye so simple. Even now, no, near person ye be AI ni betima support you. Ama within a day. So you're smarter. Ubetima produce you mark 50 and I said 10. Who produce you cry, you don't even just say AI ni besa who kwanya man. Hey yao. Ya. Wutah. And penny for swanya diama wasia. Ye nyai mo ne krono. Wutah. AI na aba music mu no. Enko gina ba bia enko ka asem bia asem bone mfa ho da. Enye bi da. Sabi so person wo say nyane o career. Wutah. Adoma chede no eno na nane Nyankopon de aba no. Nia e wo so ye ne say e wo so usua ekwan a ubetima use AI no as your companion, as your producer, as your backing vocalist, as your keyboardist, as your guitarist, as everything in music. And no say, Wutah, sabi musicians na, kase one who say, omu yusu I need to produce you omo nyoma no. I was say sankrofo na free omo. Na obuso say, yay. We dey mo amunim ye time na dey bi say ni ho, na emum no, mo person na benti yen so, e kwan ba ne be fa so a, sabi because adoma chede no Wutah obi anim say enyom to adoma chede no ye de adomo na emom no ekwan abefa so anyane ye age we no Wutah enye nsankuo na akuta na wani abri no senior dabi now ye nyom na bia ohia choristers makomako be 1000 ana be ginyom ne so ama the energy, the effect, the sound, the flow na open no. Wanya Nyankopon adom. AI ni betima ye sadie na ma. So why do you come outside and look down on omo yusu sadie no? Papa, ye say ada beti asem no memprim akoma. Ehia. Wutah. Sa lie we die etwamo. AI na abanyu mu sesei no. Wa abaye wadwene so be fight bia comedy. Senior, I need them kind of crash now. We yes over fighting AI at this age. Wutah, come be do brutal. Donyame. Now grona me di kura. Now yasona ye di tie nyum no. Era bia ne se de emu esi bie. Era bia ne wo hu enyoma ye te a ye de. Now with the help of AI, anyhow AI no esi advanced etimi ete yase ehu ye mood ye energy my dear. Now no yen yaso no everything is moving to AI. Ebeka ka ya nyum ne AI kra na enye ye debiem. Sana wiase ne etie. Wutah. Senior, me de minim se wo talent. Na mom no musician bia wo hu so o use AI. Ya nyum a wo hu se nyum no de nyum ne ko no. Kone nasi ko bu nkotodwe ne pa na cho ne ka chen say ye papa kyerɛ me kwan a wofa so ɔde AI yɛ wo nnwom na me ɔnwom bebree hɔ na AI ne mmoa me na me to me fa nnwom ne mmra abɔnten na me so mepɛ kakra mfa ntɔ aduane ni. But don't go on your platform and look down on them. Uta, many abrepa. Because in some way, no, wow, more sabi more di kind more experience and kwadano more bane shamono. Most at some more can way na. More just say, yao. No, Asia. O fighty AI, you are far behind time. So also be fighting AI a combat deal. Yes, Ghana for AI no mumpo. Dabi, yes, what Ghana for the anonymous ye? Me say, just say, Asake, Abba, Bontia be catch Ghana for say, and you way, me the AI na ye. Me say, a hona be who? A hona, more biancasa. Mo biankasa wale eye nyom Shatta wale nyom yenya omo si omunim entertainment mu betna omo platform so ka say enyom ne kra AI ne boa Shatta wale ma Shatta wale yes anyom na nti na nyom na ede no eyao na enyom enye ni denti na yeye enyom musician bia pese enyom otia eye wasum de. Now vibe to the song. Na broni di AI ba say o pese wo ye nwom na ye there. Age na ye kom no ya so no sesia ba bia keka kɔ no without the help of AI no. What to nwom te say de wo teatem no. Na emom no ya so no enyina to the extent say now no sa digital environment na ye mu no. Ji say AI no mom na betima tune nwom no AI ni na betima ni no bia hyehyem ama ya so no tenyom e be ye fans ne de. Kobe Binise on Tiase or Chase Nigeria superstar be baba bontia bekase or the AI na yenum ansa no hu se age no any era na ye wom no ye the AI na ye no yaw uta says ya Burna Boy ba bontin bekase or the AI na yenum ade na abaye said Davido ba bonten kase ninum wey or the with the help of AI na emanum ni ye da wo de obehu Ghanaian musicians nyina almost 99.9% ebekwa kope AI chira kwan Davido sine nyum no or the AI no bi wey ma me nkoto bi na me nso me fanya nyum no because nessa Nigeria for be sign ho yaw no sha dodo na munim wutah afriyie no mon kan che ne se sa post na odi ba Facebook say den na centena dos no mu use o me people mfro no me kan che Ghana for so pay nyina achew o me kan che nkwada ni nyina so po ma chew na mom age na ye wom no obia nkosua kwan ye fa so di ani produce nyom nkosua kwan ye fa so di AI no e generate music videos kwan ye use AI no di create content uta adia wo ebro wagye no ntiase so anase ama wo pen so no wo beka ho asema senior wo ye senior boy ye legendary sabi obo ho mode o Ghana music industry mu ma bonte me kan sem bia e beta ne hye wo brand na na say sabi wo legacy dabi wo ye sa wagu ho anima se senior ma bonte me yesa ade ni biem ho na smile ho na what is odi AI enyo. And the question is, I know the young man boni ana. And ye boni. Who the AI young at this age? I just say, we are smart. I just say you understand the era that we are living in. After now, don't say come here guitar so am sanu nyina ashishe nsu. Baby, we are sedri. Yaw. Yeah, ready. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. Mon kan kire wutah afriyie say on call the Facebook no ko delete ade no on try apology and to so sorry say oba bonten ebe kan asem ti a omo use AI de yenyum no ye ni bibi sa bia o wiase enyum ni epia bonten na eda irrespective of say AI bo wa na say AI amwa no enyum if only the fans will vibe with it if only people dance to it and one on what you were Juma as a musician. Me say ada what the assembly market on the wall. Ada Ghanaians ebete say Nigerian superstars ne ka say omu di AI ana ye omu nyom no. O de obete. Me tro to o de obete. Ubehu nipa ye. O de obete. Me pese me bo artist bi edin. Ba o de obete. Hey, who say artist bi e use AI? Kwani nasi kosua na on kyerɛw AI kra o use. I quite remember na me tie Pastor Mensa Otabel. Na o say television eba foforo no. Christian community no eye o imagine say television ye evil. Ebe say we ase na den. And until time and Christian community any bar also say television no a medium of communication no na say be secular environment no ma dominate TV shows ni bia. AI is the future. Maybe ya son akodru no. Without AI, oh yeah, nyuma ye dede o, yen timpo, yente ye dede because now no, ya son ye ni no age way no, ye AI era. Enti ya son ye AI, ye ni ye AI, ye homi bi bia ye AI sisi. Enti o produce bi abre environmental, omo consume anase environmental. Now ye tune omo senses no to AI leveler. Adia now they ban say AI enka ho ye humpo. Entimi communication no there will be a barrier. Uta senior unya hate check. Opese unya hate ye age we ya. Go and learn AI. Go and learn how to use AI to produce music. Minim se obetima ye. Kusua kwanya ye di AI ni yenyom. Senior obefreska. Musicians be bre ho a meni wo kasa yi. Omani da so nyina asa because omoye bibia emfa. AI no abe reset the music industry biem. Now music talenter. Now you're smart. Now you're ho brasier. Eko omo mahu no enasi kosua. Ubenyane. Obenyansafo. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon hyira na onte nanim kyerɛ. AI is the future. Esha.